Meaning of frailty.
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 Frailty. Frailty refers to the condition of being weak and delicate, often due to old age or illness. It is characterized by a lack of physical or emotional strength and increased vulnerability to harm. Frailty can manifest in a variety of ways, including decreased mobility, cognitive impairment, and susceptibility to infections and injuries. Those who are frail require extra care and support to maintain their health and well-being, and may benefit from interventions such as exercise, nutrition, and social engagement to help slow or reverse the progression of frailty.